Hey, I just needed something to talk about this. Well, where to begin? It's like 5 in the morning, and it's 5 in the morning here, and I can't sleep. I just thinking too hard. My cat may have cancer, and it's a situation where we don't know yet. We have to wait till the blood work comes in, and I don't know. I mean, I've been not the kind of person that projects or kind of gets too obsessed with, or I don't know. I've always analyzed other people and just kind of find it odd how odd they project themselves into something that they watch or they do or they want to do, but I don't know. I mean, I really don't want this to turn into like the Match.com girl. But my cat, waiting for blood work to come in to see if he's got cancer and that growth in his stomach intestinal wall section that's causing blood in his urine and preventing him to go to the bathroom. But I don't know, just like what I was saying about projection, kind of like that part that where he and I like have a lot in common. We all project to our animals, but he's he's a character, and if you're following my artwork, he's very important to me. He's this character. He's like an old man, but pretentious in his own demeanor, and he's a ladies' man. Anytime I invite a girl over, he's immediately on them. He's immediately going like, I approve of you. I have terrible voice acting skills, and that's my voice for him. I just needed to talk this out. I can't sleep. So I've been just thinking about him a lot. He's about 10 years old. I call him the bush cat because it's been through the bush years, and kind of blame him for it. Not that much, but okay, 11 years, but yeah, I don't know, I just project too much to him, and I don't know, I just kind of need to feel some way I'm creating some sort of an outlet. My artwork is kind of at a loss because I've been watching way too much Breaking Bad, and crazy people making meth and getting into drug cartels and stuff like that is, at this point, if the main villain doesn't turn out to be the Terminator Part 1, where truck crashes and then Terminator walks out as a skeleton, if that doesn't happen at the end of Breaking Bad, I'm going to be really disappointed. It's like that line in Seven where Morgan Freeman says, if John Doe's head cracks open and an alien comes out, act like you expected it. It's something like that. But yeah, no, just my cat, he's sleeping somewhere else right now, but in the afternoon he's been spending most of his time here. I tell him not to go to the wires under my computer, but he does. He's a character. He looks so content. He's a character, and I don't know, I mean, I just need to do something, and my artwork is at a standstill. Latest piece I'm working on fighting fish, fighting dudes. Which, I've attempted and kind of stuck, and I hope this video kind of just gets me past an art block and I finish, you know? Oh well. C'est la vie. I end this.